The electrical code provides clear guidelines for installing and inspecting electrical systems. It focuses on specific requirements rather than performance-based outcomes. Although not legally binding, it is widely adopted by authorities as a safety standard. The Electrical Code, NEC, establishes comprehensive safety standards for the installation and inspection of electrical wiring and equipment. It covers a wide range of topics including wiring and protection, conductor types and sizes, grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection devices, circuit breakers and fuses, and surge protection. Equipment, installation and use of various electrical equipment like motors, transformers, switchboards, panel boards, and lighting fixtures. Special occupancies, specific requirements for locations like hospitals, hazardous areas, and swimming pools. Communication systems, installation of low-voltage communication systems like telephone and data networks. The code serves as a crucial reference for electricians, engineers, and inspectors, ensuring electrical systems are designed and installed safely to protect people and property. The code offers conductor and conduit sizes in both metric and U.S. customary units. Conductor sizes are specified in American wire gauge, AWG, or circular mills, meal or cake meal, where AWG relates to diameter and circular mills to cross-sectional area. Wires and cables are differentiated by size and construction. Conductors within raceways like conduits need to be stranded if they are 8 AWG or larger.